Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Right now I have to rush to the parking lot because an old lady has been emailing me because she saw my ad on Craigslist for the old Edger, Craftsman 3 horsepower Edger that I got a long time ago from Nick Iardi over in West Islip. He just gave it to me. I picked it up. Had an old carburetor that had no float bowl, had a diaphragm on it, whatever. So I took that off and I replaced it with a HIPA 360 Tecumseh carburetor, the one with the pink primer bulb on it. Put it in there and fired right up. It's been sitting in my shed for the past 6 months because I don't use an Edger. I don't know too many people that do, because you can just turn your weed whacker to the side and edge your lawn that way. So I had it listed for $155. And I've had some bites here and there for 80, 60, stuff like that. And then this lady offered me 75. And so I said, if I don't take this offer, I'm never gonna sell that thing. It's just gonna sit in my shed until the winter, all winter, and then maybe some nut will buy it next summer. But for $75, I'll just get rid of it right now. So I gotta rush over to the parking lot right now, because apparently the daughter's been sitting there for 20 minutes because the mom didn't tell the daughter what time I was gonna come. I just so happened to look at the email. Had I not looked at the email, that poor lady would have been sitting in the parking lot all night. But whatever, I'm gonna go and check it out and see if we can get this Edger sold. All right, as you guys saw from the transaction, nice lady, you know, her boyfriend came to help her out, whatever, and she does what the mom says so that they don't get into an argument, you know what I mean? So I understand that 100%, you know. But anyway, showed them how it worked, and that thing is really amazing because I just primed it 2 or 3 times, pulled it first pull and started. Ran really well, and so they gave me $75, and then we stayed there for about another 20 minutes or so talking about our close to 80-year-old mothers and how not to argue with them about certain things. But got rid of another piece of equipment from my shed. I am really happy. I've been selling a lot of things lately. I almost feel like I sell things almost every day for the past week or so. A lot of the stuff I get from reviews too, which, you know, I don't post or anything. I just, if I don't need it, I'll sell it, you know. So good payday today, and, you know, happy that I was able to get rid of it. We'll see you guys later. That's because I cut the fuel solenoid off. Excess gas in the carburetor. Anyhow, today I'm going to use it for the very first time to see how it mows. It's a pretty good tractor. I like it a lot. I listed it for $12.75. So far, no bites in a week. But even though it's been hotter than hell, I mean like mid-90s for the past 2 weeks, with very little rain, if any. We had one little storm yesterday, but the lawns they're terrible. Even though I have automatic sprinklers, there are areas where it is still pretty dry. But over here, the lawn does need to be mowed because it is kind of long. So I'm gonna go put some more gas in here, and we're gonna go and see how this thing mows. So it did a pretty good job. Pretty happy with it. Mowed really well. Engine sound. Just did a couple of reviews on solar street lamps. I've been getting a lot of these. I'm not going to use them, but I don't know what I'm going to do with them. I guess I could just charge them up, and then when we have a blackout, I can bring them to the house and they'll be house lights. Now my buddy Quinn the mailman just texted me, said there's a small leaf blower at this address. It's like a couple blocks away. I'm gonna go check it out. So, you know, Quinn is not very descriptive, you know. He just tells me what he sees. He's not an expert, so he's not gonna say, oh, it's an electric one, it's a gas handheld one, it's a small backpack one, or it's a large backpack one. He's not going to give me brands or anything. I wish he would just, you know, take a picture of it, right? And then text it to me, and that way I know exactly what it is. But I'm not going to make him do that. You know, I'm already grateful as it is that he's, you know, willing to do all that stuff for me, giving me tips on small engine equipment, which he's been doing for the past, I want to say like 3 years or so. You guys have a Quinn the mailman or Frank the UPS guy? My new UPS guy, his name is Jose. I haven't had that conversation with him yet about, hey, if you see anything like lawnmowers or tractors, weed whackers, leaf blowers, etc. I think that is Corvette. He said it was here. It's on one of those streets where nobody would go because it's a dead end. So chances more than not I'm gonna get it, because other than that the garbage people will pick it up. And it looks like it's gonna be somewhere around here. Looks like it. All right, I'm just gonna let it roll, fellers. How's it going? Knee brace, Louisville Slugger bat. Echo leaf blower. Pretty cool. PB 255. I'll take it. So the owner came out and I asked him, hey, does the spreader work? He's like, it works. And he says, the leaf blower works too. I says, the leaf blower works too? Why are you throwing it out? He's like, I never use it. I'm like, wow, okay, cool. Echo PB 255. This is pretty good, huh? Also, he had a bat. I'm not sure if it's T-ball or either way, no dents in it. I'll keep it in my van for protection. I'm gonna load it up. We'll go check out the leaf blower when we get home. I was just telling people that you weren't very descriptive when you said a leaf blower. Electric, gas, should I even go? It'd be easier if you just took a picture. And then I said, I know what he's gonna say to me. He's gonna give me one of these. I appreciate it, man. That I saw the owner and he goes, it works. I said, it works? Well, why would you throw it out? He's like, I never use it. Oh, they have landscapers? Yeah, landscapers. Are you melting yet?
I couldn't quite see it the way it was and with all the glasses.
Are you melting? Oh, he's prepared. Ice water. He's got all kinds of beverages there.
No beverage there, but oh, wait.
Oh, it's a Lucas Oil Gator. That's right.
I wonder where I got that, Henry.
I have no idea. Nice. Stay cool, Quinn.
Gotta pull out all the tricks in this weather.
So what did we do today? Let's see. We sold something. We mowed something. And we picked something, huh? This is actually a good spreader. It's not like the regular broadcast ones. This one has a thing called edge guard, which I totally do not understand what it is, but everything seems to work. But you know what? I'm not going to keep it. I'm going to give it to my new neighbor who moved into the Hulk's house, the one with the beautiful lawn. He just screwed it up big time. He was spreading seed with the bag. He was holding the 20-pound bag and he was dropping it like that. It's clumps and clumps of seed was just dropping. He needs a spreader, so I'm going to give this to him. So I'm not sure if it works. He said it works, and it seems like it works, but I have one that I've used all these years, and I'm not going to mess up a good thing. I'm not going to give him mine. I'll give him this as it works. I'm going to put a little bit of 50-to-1 fuel in here, and it's bone dry. You may have a little bit, but not a whole lot. So we'll put some pre-mixed fuel in here just to test it out and see if it'll work. That should be enough, right? Maybe too much. Yeah, it's good enough. And we'll just try to fire it up. Guy says it works, and no cutting or editing or stuff like that. I'm just gonna give her a try. That's on. There's choke. Now it's filling up the bulb. And I'm pushing fluid through the carburetor. That ought to be good to try on choke. All right, what do you guys say? You guys think it'll work? Let's put it to run. I don't think it'll run. Doesn't sound right. Let's pump some spray into the carburetor and then try it. And it has one of these fuel filters, air filters. Take it off choke, spray some ether right through the carb. Did I even get it in there or no? Not even sure. I'll choke it again. See, that doesn't seem right. I think something's busted. Yep. This is done. I think the connecting rod is busted. Something just broke inside. This doesn't work. He lied to me. So we had quite a day, huh? Selling something, mowing, using something that I found on the street, fixed it, and it runs great. Listing it for sale, and then when I was about to end the video, sure enough, get a call from Quinn the mailman. Picked up this Echo, which I think is busted. Just gonna sell it for parts locally, you know what I mean? $10, $20, whatever. And a little Scott's grass seed spreader for my new neighbor. Hope you enjoyed the episode. It's hotter than hell. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
This guy screwed this up. I'm gonna
See you guys next time on Mowers.